Welcome back, everybody, to Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC. All my home cooks and chefs out there, we got something special on the menu today. We're gonna be doing an upside down pineapple cake. We're gonna be doing a little, taste test today. So definitely check out, the ingredients. Let's get over there and let's get the cooking. All right, you guys. So these are the ingredients for the upside down pineapple cake. Get 3 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar. Some oil or whatever to spray the pan with, some cherries. Obviously, you definitely got to have some cake mix. So we got some yellow classic cake mix, and a can of pineapple and some oil. So, and then don't forget your dish that you're gonna be putting in. It's a small size, and the rest of your whipping ingredients when you put it together. So let's get over into making the cake mix. So what we're gonna do is mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. This recipe consists of, if you want to add water and stuff like that, but since we're doing a pineapple upside down cake, we're gonna use the juice that was in the can, which is a cup. You want to pour in there, so that's what we put in first. Then next we're gonna add the oil in. Add the oil in, and then the 3 eggs, and get the whipping, So. Okay, so after this is done, we're gonna make the sauce for the upside down cake. So next, what you want to do is put the butter in here to get the little glaze with the brown sugar. Melt it down, and then what you're gonna be doing next is adding in the brown sugar. You don't want to overcook it. You don't want to just cook it lightly to mix in with the butter. Add in the brown sugar. Turn off your temperature and just mix it in with the butter. And that's it. Once it's fully mixed in, you're done. And then we can add it into the pie pan. The cake pan next. All right, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you over into assembling the upside down pineapple. What you want to do is, you grease your bottom of your pan. We got a little spray here, a little butter spray. You just spray it around. Some people use parchment paper, but it just depends on whoever likes, however you like it. And that's about it. And then what we do next is add the brown sugar and butter to the bottom. Make sure it's, mixed, real good. And just add it in to the bottom of the pan. That's your first start of how you do it. Make sure it's even. Alright, so now we're gonna be layering the pineapple. Some people keep them whole, some people cut them up. We got them cut up, so what we're gonna do is, just make a little design and stuff like that, so you can get them all in. So you can do it like this, and all right. So this is what it looks like right before we put in the dough. The cake batter and stuff like that. It's a nice little design and everything like that. And we're gonna add the cherries in next, this is how you assemble it. And let's get over into doing the cherries and the cake batter. All right, you need now we can just put a batter in. Like I do. Make sure you cover all the, Yep, it's looking good. One thing I do like about baking, it's real peaceful. You can do baking, stuff like that. Yeah. People don't know that, shoot, I started out baking before I started cooking. All right, and the temperature on the oven is about 350 degrees, and you put it in there for about 28 minutes. But I say check it within 20 minutes to see how how it's rising, and go from there after that. All right, so now we're gonna flip it. A little warm, but don't forget, what you want to always do is make sure you let it cool down first before you flip it. Look at it. Bad boy looking pretty. Look at that. Woo! Man, if y'all had a smell-o-vision how bad that sucker looking. Came out looking good. You know what I'm saying? Came out perfect, everybody. So, hopefully you guys like it. Now, this is a great recipe for upside down pineapple cake. You see how good it looks, you guys. Now, I wish you guys could taste it. I know it looks so good, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys coming through. If y'all haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my latest weekly dishes on all my favorite recipes that I like to give you guys. But this one's a great one, you guys. Doesn't take that long. And I thank you for coming through. This is Chopping and Grilling with your boy KC, and I will see you next time. Take care.